You are simply too focused on the money. And folks, I'm sure you've read from the title of this video, this is why you are not making any money. And I personally like to think of it as every single person on this planet is a trader in one way or another. Whether you're trading your time for money, or whether you're like many of us watching this right now, are simply trading our money for time. And that is the biggest misconception with trading. Everyone starts out, whether you're trading FX, whether you're buying a crypto, your mind is so fixated on where you are going to be that you really forget and figure out to sort out what is actually in front of you right now. And I think a lot of people have the big misconception that the fact that trading is so easy to start, that they really think that getting to that end goal is going to be a lot quicker and a lot easier. Just like John Rockefeller said, if your only goal is to get rich, you are not going to get rich at all. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing what I think about trading psychology. And it is also the start of a trading psychology series coming to this channel. So sit back, relax, and let's get straight into the video. My first piece of evidence is from a Stanford University professor that conducted an experiment using an MRI scanner. Now, if you don't know what that is a scanner that you go through that literally does an X-ray of your whole brain. Now, Brian conducted a series of events with a game that included winning and losing money and how these patients would have reacted. And that sounds explicitly similar to trading. You have that emotion when you're winning and you have the emotion when you're losing, and that does affect the way we make decisions. Now, what Brian found out while conducting this experiment is that individuals that were anticipating a reward from this challenge, parts of their brain called the nucleus accumbens was literally surging out with dopamine. Now, I'm pretty sure as traders we can all relate. Whenever we're attached and whenever we enter a position, all we can think about is what we're going to be doing with the profits. Whether you're buying a crypto, the first thing that crosses your mind is how much money you're going to make when it hits a certain level. Very similar to FX, very similar to stocks and so forth. A part of our brain simply attaches the outcome more over the process and the journey that is really acquired to achieve the end result. Now, something that Brian added was the same physiological process of the dopamine being released in that part of the brain is very similar to that of an addiction. Having an addiction to something is seeking how it makes you feel after you've done it. And a very, very similar part of trading, a person is addicted to how you will feel should something be achieved or should something pay you what you think it will pay you, and that affects our decision making. I'm glad you're enjoying this video so far. Don't forget to click the link in the description below. Join my Discord. There will be an option to upgrade the Discord to have access to full live sessions with me every single morning, along with a community of traders worldwide. I look forward to seeing you in there. Enjoy the rest of the video. And the issue with this is an individual may switch from being risk averse, someone that doesn't risk too much, all of a sudden being risky purely because of that switch of dopamine that switches on purely because of the reward that they're going to receive. So as a trader, our main goal and our focus should be on the process. As Rockefeller said, if your main goal is to become rich, you more than likely won't be. However, as a trader, as an individual that is chasing the end goal, be that in crypto, be that in FX, stocks, whatever the case may be, if you are simply chasing the outcome, you're more than likely not going to get there because you are going to react emotionally to the situation that you're in. The best piece of advice and takeaway from this video is to focus on the process. Focus on the steps that you are required to take in order to achieve the outcome, not necessarily focusing on the outcome itself. Now, if you're simply throwing money at the market because of how you think you're going to feel once you achieve something, you more than likely have found yourself in a trading addiction, which is not really in a good place to be. Be that whether you're trading your own money or you're trading these challenge accounts. These challenge accounts are the exact same situation. The individuals taking part in these challenges are focused more so on the end result and the money that they're going to make should they receive their profit split. The truth behind the matter is that affects their decision making on the actual process of getting from A to B. So my advice to each and every one of you right now watching this, whether you're an individual that has a business, whether you're starting a business, whether you're trading, whether you're investing into crypto, your focus should be on the discipline. Your focus should be on retaining and actually staying in the game. Moreover, what you're going to achieve, the amount of money you're going to make, what you're going to buy. Every one of you have been through that, and so have I. Focusing on what you're going to buy, focusing on where you're going to travel, what you're going to do with the money that you make, affects your decision making on realizing that you have to be disciplined now. You have to follow your plan now. That is the only thing that is really truly going to get you to where you want to be. And there's one final topic to discuss in terms of psychology on trading addiction and money, simply chasing the money. When you have that one very big win that really entices you into the game and shows you that this is possible, that then only leads you to a sense of curiosity to consistently have those bigger wins. You are then not satisfied with the little wins. You are constantly chasing the bigger wins, which leads you from being over risky, which leads you to breaking your rules, which leads you to over risking your account, more than likely going broke chasing this process. So folks, if you're still watching this video right now, take it from one trader to another. Your focus should not be on the end result. Your focus should be on figuring out where you are right now, figuring out what you have to do on a daily basis consistently to go ahead and actually achieve the results that you're chasing. If that's not where your hunger is, you're truly going to have an issue, and trading is more than likely not going to work out for you. Focus on where you are, focus on what you have to do in order to get to where you want to be. Yes, it's great thinking and dreaming about what you're going to do once you make all this money, what you're going to do once Bitcoin hits 250K. Yes, that's great, but if it's affecting where you are right now and it's affecting your discipline where it is right now, scratch it. Focus on where you are, take your steps from A to B, and consistently do that. Those small little wins add up, and you will definitely be in a better place psychologically to attack the markets. But that's it for me, folks. Video number 1 of the psychology series. Stay tuned for much more. Do like, comment, and share this video to another trader, and I look forward to seeing you on the channel. Take care. Bye-bye.